Menteri Bedikmi Ekatanat Social Welfare ka Sorkar Zilau Loong ba ka Sorkar kadang pynkhreh ik jingdonkam ki bede bat ka hok ki riewtymmen riewsan lani ka Human Rights Advisory on Right of Elderly Person nakadaw ka klam COVID-19. Haba jubab ya ka jingkli bala kali do nong thawai ka mausnram uba jam sang pliang ha ka dorbar mang tingkah ka khatwei trik luber arajar arpuar uba kermen loong ba ka jing pynkhreh kalaya sakmat ban poi ya ka jingdonkam hadu yeng kham tam ka jing a jing sumari ki temen ki ba omla ban ya chu nalor ki weipan.
Start question number 64. A, sir. Yes, sir. Effort has been made by the state government to comply to the Human Rights Advisory on rights of elderly person with in context of COVID-19. B, sir. Yes, sir. C, sir. The detail and number beneficiaries district-wise is as per statement placed on the table of the House. D, sir. Doorstep delivery arrangement for food and other essential had been made to persons with disabilities by the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities. Is delivery of food ration had been carried out by the district official in coordination with the district administration for persons with disabilities.
Yes, my Mr. Speaker, sir. I like to thank the Minister for the elaborate efforts in giving the detailed replies. But coming to the question C and the answer, I would like to know whether this figure is as on what date? The figure of the beneficiaries of 6,813 is as on what date?
It's the latest information, sir. The date, I don't have it with me, I require notice.
Well, sir, if it is as on date, then it appears that just about 6,813 elderly persons have been covered in the whole state. And I think we will all agree that we have even bigger numbers